Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we will cook no egg, no bake UBE cheese cookies or the purple yam cookies with cheese. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! So we're now ready to mix all our ingredients for the no bake, no egg UBE cheese cookies or the purple yam cookies with cheese. First, we have half cup of butter, and then 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I have here 2 tablespoons of mashed ube or the purple yam. I have here 1 3/4 flour. And then half cup of the ube flavored condensed milk. I'm using 1 3/4 cups of flour. And then 2 drops of ube coloring and ube flavor. Okay, our cookie dough is now ready. So we have to form this into balls. So after shaping our cookie dough into balls, we will now flatten the dough. And then press the dough, your cookie dough, with a fork. As I said earlier, this is a no-bake UBE cookies. We're gonna use the frying pan in cooking our UBE cookies or the purple yam cookies. So we will cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, we're now done. Ta-da! Okay, we're done with cooking our cookies. So, and the last part will be our cheese toppings. Ta-da! So this is the no bake, no egg UBE cheese cookies. Okay guys, we're done with our no egg, no bake UBE cheese cookies or the purple yam cookies with the cheese. Ta-da-da-da-da! Okay, so let's try it. Good. As I said, I always make sure when I make my dessert or cookies not so sweet. So for our shout out to Mother Twinkles in America and Mike Spectre. So that's all for this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel. Bye for now. I love you guys. Bye.